Holly McKhann Realtor with the hottest new luxury listing in Laguna, Niguel. This home is so spectacular. It features soaring ceilings and a beautiful open concept that looks out onto this very special yard. The accordion doors open up to fully expose this spectacular pool, sparkling water, cascading waterfalls, and a really nice jacuzzi. The dining room features 10-foot tall accordion doors that completely open up and just let the natural light flood into your home. You look right out onto the jacuzzi and the pool. This dream kitchen opens directly into the family room, perfect for entertaining your friends and family also. And this island is huge. It comfortably seats 6 people. It's got a decor range right in the middle, and you've also got a GE profile double oven. Lots of opportunity for big parties. The owners have recently installed brand new white quartz with the gray vein countertops right on trend. The backsplash with the artisan subway tiles and the varying shades of gray tops it off perfectly. One of the best things about this kitchen is if you don't like doing dishes, it's not so bad because you can see the ocean clearly from the kitchen sink. There are 2 cozy fireplaces, one in the family room, clearly visible from the kitchen, and one in the primary suite. One of my favorite aspects of this home is the master suite. From laying in the bed, you have a spectacular view of that sparkling blue Pacific Ocean. What a fantastic thing to start your day with when you wake up. Built-in cabinets sit directly across from the bed area with lots of storage and a perfect place for a TV. The rest of the generously sized primary suite includes 2 vanities as well as a spa-like bathtub and shower. It's truly divine. Just imagine yourself lounging lazily by the pool. Or if you prefer, you can swim laps in the perfect lap pool. There's 3 cascading waterfalls that create a delightful ambiance. The jacuzzi is really large. You can easily seat 8 people in it. You can barbecue in the backyard and even enjoy the special fire bowl feature. It also converts to a water feature. As you're entertaining your friends or family, or just enjoying the backyard yourself, you can see the sparkling blue Pacific Ocean. Such a delight to know that it's so close to you. It's a short drive away, as well as Dana Point. With all that Dana Point has to offer, there's luxury hotels, all kinds of water sports, surfing, paddleboarding, jet skiing, lots of fun places to walk around Dana Point Harbor, and all kinds of fantastic restaurants in downtown. Thanks for coming along on this tour of this gorgeous home. Make sure you contact me for your private tour right away.